Yo, like, now where you come from?
Beer pain, man. Beer pain. Like
What you talk about? What do you?
lion in a man.
But from the day my bar, I never see this. I want to go on with your shoes them too. We have two different pair of shoes.
No, man. Somebody smart the dog about the place. I terrorize lion, man.
A year shoes my dog care over, come over the yard.
From you get that the dog that beer terrorize them and terrorize, man. Beer terrorize. A doctor lion got the smart.
Just
man.
easy, man.
Which
doctor you go? What do you? Where your foot there in that thing there for?
Doctor that's sitting bowing a lion foot. Now it look like my foot spraying.
What you talk about? Test your reflexes. You should have something for your foot.
You can't test people knee flexor.
Of course you can't. I saw your test reflex. You talk about you do too much, man.
You don't get smart if you help lift lion, carry lion.
Why am I gonna help you with that, man?
Right?
You over-exaggerate the situation. What you tired of thing around the neck for?
Because if your hand spray and then put it in a one sling, so it look like a spray and then spray and my foot down.
I don't know what kind of self-diagnosis you go through. Now, what that on there?
I'm a docket, man. I'm a docket. Me grab up from down there, man. So I can't know where happened to lion.
So why you have the document them? The doctor them not supposed to have the document them.
In a 2 weeks. So me get Bex and tell them, sorry, me will pay them in a 2 weeks, man. When me go to the woman, take money for register me and send me round there. Send lion round there to doctor. Lion walk go good down there. Right? First thing she drop sitting in my eye. Yeah, it burn me like a pepper she put in it. I want to do the other one. Then lion couldn't see if he come home.
I dilate your eye them so she can check your people.
But we not go there for them die nothing upon lion. Then after them die, no mark them a go send me. No prescription them a go write for send me go mark, man. When you die.
That don't even make sense. You talk about prescription for go mark. You talk about you go mark, you're dead. So I help the people in my child. But you need to go back. But you need to go back and get the people in the documents. Oh, you not pay the thing yet, man. You need to pay the thing so the people can do the lab work.
You can't tell lion what happened to lion. Then if me go for you tell me what happened to me. And you can't tell me. Then you expect me for pay and you don't tell me nothing.
Of course, the people them need time for send a blood report, go to the lab and things like that.
Come on. Me have them money here.
So how them gonna afford for send it if you don't pay the people them the money?
Me need for go me. I be a pain, man. Then set him burn a lion knee.
Stop over-exaggerating, man.
I want to do the other one. And that's why more times this money got doctor and from doctor send them gone to hospital because of them wickedness that them do to people. So, wickedness.
So how you go walk with that thing there in it now?
I don't know. You have to get a couple people from in our community.
The man call hospital and all of them things. You talk about, man. Who am I going to lift you up for, man? Over-exaggerate the thing. You know that?
My foot feel like it's spraying. My body hand spraying them now. I put it in the sling. And my foot spraying, man.
I go sit down in the car, man. What's wrong with you?
I sling, man. Get help for carry up.
I'm not getting help for help nobody, man. It's a wheelbarrow I need for go for help you.
Right? Them wicked people, them, man. And when I time I for sure said I don't want nobody. Me lie down a farm like me a pass out, you know. And the woman would have never put her mouth over for my mouth for give me like a mouth. So
why I try to kiss the people them daughter for?
They're a pretty woman, doctor, man. Lion just a try a thing, man.
You think she know better, man? So why she give you mouth-to-mouth resuscitation when nothing wrong with it?
Then like me a pass out, man. Then suppose me did a pass out. She wouldn't put fair mouth over.
No, then would have put machine pan you and bring you back.
And she have right this and would have go for machine.
You know, woman no want. You know see you know teeth woman left your man. No woman no want you.
I put her mouth over lion mouth. The woman would have never do that.
Woman no want you. What you talk about? Pan the man. The woman no want you, man.
I tell me say, them I go prescribe. Prescribe why you sitting here. I don't know if I'm my antibiotics. Antibiotics is something to kill bacteria, man. You can't send for my family if you go buy ticks.
What you talk about, man? You need to start read the book them, you know, man. Antibiotics is a medicine for kill
Then I got you for some, man.
Boy, lying, you dumb, you know.
But you don't know if me have anti and I can prescribe antibiotics. My antibiotics left
a medication, lion.
Right. Then I got them for some, man. You don't do that wickedness that to people, man. They not even know if me have anti.
Regular people wouldn't just hear them say antibiotics and no medicine them right. Talk about, but you different, of course.
Lion got doctor for help, man. You lick me, beer peel me off. Yesterday you did see me I walk so.
You never walk yesterday, but what you
Lion put it in a sling yesterday.
A drama you create, man. I call it down for yourself, man. Nothing wrong in the foot. Test them, text your reflex them and
Yeah, but
check
you
your
can't
them.
test people knee flex and use one sitting like I'm and lick them in the
Go
man.
pay the people them money.
To people
Go
that.
pay the people them money, man. You talk about.
No man, no money now and pay to Lion get
So
result,
how the
man.
people them are go pay for it?
Alright, look on it now. Lion and a doctor. Lion and a doctor and Lion sit down in the office and coulda diagnose and prescribe and tell you what happened to a man out in the park.
Alright, what happened to the man in the
Lion coulda
park?
tell you. Alright, Lion sit down in a place. I mean, see a man and his wife drive in one of them nice two-horse vehicles. The man park, then the wife come out and say no park properly in park too crooked. So him reverse it back. When he reverse it back now, right? Then she tell him, so if you go forward front way. But he still park it, he never park it good. So him have to reverse it back again. And about half an hour till one night time, he carried way up, almost licking her banking. The wife said, no. Then the wife take it from him and she make it right, park it up right. And Lion sit down in there and say, but this a man, I wonder if Lion could have charged him and send him back home. I want to hell of the man, you know. I said I could have charged him and find money when the doctor would have charged him. She said she
Alright, so why you diagnosed him, man? What's wrong with him?
Parkinson you have, man.
Oh, for Parkinson.
Then
I
he
know
couldn't park the
Parkinson.
car. His wife have to park the car.
So that don't mean it's Parkinson. That's not what Parkinson's is.
The man couldn't park the car. And his wife have to park. Half of you may have seen now, you know. The woman dropped the sitting in my eye, man. Half of you may have seen.
Are the hot then in your face
half
make you
of
can't
shot
see
me I see over there, so. Half of people may have seen. Parkinson, that Lion diagnose him with. Me
So
coulda
how I'm
prescribed that
supposed
for
to, what you going to recommend for him take to fix the Parkinson?
Go back, go driving school. Him go back to driving school, man.
Yo, Lion, I left him. I go up the road here, man,
No for
because
them
I'm being
can drive
nonsense
up on the
here.
road and suffer from that car. You see all them taxi man the park. And the park them car good. Parking
Lion,
sickness
I left
them
him.
a
I
suffer
left him.
from,
I
man.
go up the road because
Oh, Lion,
I'm being nonsense here.
oh, Lion, I go reach over now.
Well, I call a man for carry the wheelbarrow for carry up. Don't mind you, man. Think me help you? Yo, I left you now, man. I late, say Lion. Make me tell somebody for me to with that wheelbarrow later.